Okay guys, ever wanted a clean, minimal footer with a proper newsletter form and multi-currency support built right in? Setting all of this up manually would honestly take ages. Well, this section has everything ready for you. Today we're adding this footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Now let's add a logo based on your own collection, and right below that adjust the logo width along with toggling lazy load for the logo. Next up is the newsletter section. Add your body text and email placeholder in the input placeholder field and update the button text too. You can also customize the body text max width here. After that, there's a typography settings area you can adjust based on your own preference. In the bottom bar, add your copyright text, and right below that, you can change the currency pop-up colors. There's really so much control packed into this section. You can also update the section colors, spacing settings, and other general section settings from here. Lastly, in the navigation column, add your menu pages based on your own store. I'm adding these based on my own collection right now. Once everything's set the way you want it, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.